Next example, in figure DE parallel to AC. Okay, here DE is parallel to AC. Okay, and DF is parallel to AE. Okay, prove that BF by FE equal to BE by EC. Okay, see, triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. Okay, triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. We know basic proportionality theorem. One line is parallel to one side of the triangle, then the line divides other two sides in same ratio. Okay, here DE is parallel to AC. These are one triangle ABC. Here DE is parallel to AC. Okay, here DE divides other two sides in same ratio. The ratio is AD by DB equal to CE by EB. Okay, ratio is AD by DB equal to CE by EB. Okay, here using basic proportionality theorem. Okay, next, in same way, triangle ABE. Okay, this is one triangle ABE. From triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. Okay, see this triangle, DF is parallel to AE. Okay, according to Thales theorem, DF divides other two sides in same ratio. The ratio is AD by DB equal to EF by FB. AD by DB equal to EF by FB. Using basic proportionality theorem. Okay, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, AD by DB equal to CE by EB, AD by DB equal to EF by FB, equating 1 and 2 ratios. Therefore, CE by EB equal to EF by FB. Okay, here we need to prove BF by FE equal to BE by EC. Okay, write reciprocal of these fractions. CE or EC. BE or EB equal to FE by FB equal to reciprocal of this fraction. BF or FB. Okay, BF by FE. Hence proved. Okay. Next example, in figure DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. Okay, and DF is parallel to OR. Okay, show that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, see, triangle POQ. From triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. Okay, one line is parallel to one side of the triangle. That line divides other two sides in same ratio. Okay, according to Thales theorem. The ratio is P by EQ equal to PD by DO. Using DPT theorem. Okay, basic proportionality theorem. Next, EF is parallel to QR. Sorry, DF is parallel to OR. Okay, from triangle, this is equation 1. From triangle POR, DF parallel to OR. Okay, see this triangle POR. Okay, here DF is parallel to OR. Okay, so DF divides other two sides in same ratio. The ratio is PF by FR equal to PD by DO. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, PD by DO equal to P by EQ, PF by FR. Okay, so equating these two ratios, we get PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. See, PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. See, triangle PQR. From triangle PQR, PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. Okay, so according to converse of Thales theorem, one line divides any two sides in same ratio. Okay, one line divides any two sides in same ratio. So the line is parallel to third side of the triangle. Okay, is it clear? Converse of Thales theorem. By using converse of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Okay, if one line is parallel to one side of the triangle, one line divides other two sides in same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side of the triangle. Okay, so EF is parallel to QR. Okay.